I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to either speed up or slow down your YouTube video playback speed on the YouTube desktop site. Step 1. Open the YouTube video that you want to either speed up or slow down the playback speed for. Step 2. Hold your cursor over that video to display the on-screen controls and then click Settings. A menu opens. Step 3. Click Playback Speed in this menu. A Playback Speed menu opens where you'll see a slider that by default is set to 1, which is the normal playback speed. Step 4. If you want to slow down the playback speed for this YouTube video, all you need to do is drag that slider to the left. The lower the number, the slower the playback speed. Alternatively, if you want to speed up the playback speed for this YouTube video, all you need to do is drag the slider to the right. Your playback speed will adjust in real time as you move the slider. Click off of the slider to close the menu and watch the YouTube video at your desired playback speed. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.